to another video. Today's video we're doing another pack opening. We still have 4 packs of 2020 Series 1. Then we have the bonus, which I haven't looked at yet. And then we have the rookies. So I think we're gonna go with the rookies first. Then we'll tear open some packs. So first off, it seems like we have a Rhys Hoskins. Ooh, Alex Bregman rookie card. That's a pretty good one. Tyler Glasnow. Dansby Swanson. Luke Weaver. Chad Pinder. Stefan Piscotty. Ooh, Michael Conforto. Gotta flip these. Kyle Schwarber. Trey Turner. That's a good one. Jock Peterson. Okay. Jorge Soler. Rookie card. That's a pretty good one. Jake Lamb. It's weird because he's probably the Diamondbacks' best third baseman. It's so weird, of all time. Ooh, that one's cool. Draft class Kyle Schwarber 2014. It's a cool one. Billy Hamilton. Danny Hechavarria. Yeah. Adam Eaton. Dylan Bundy. Just trying to. And Zach Wheeler. And another Dylan Bundy. So overall, those rookies were good. Now we're going to put these to the side. I think we're going to get some of these open. And if you guys like baseball packs, I can get more. So I'm just going to tear this one open. Alright, it has a spacer in the back. Spacer. Hunter Renfroe. Max Stassi. What's the guy's name? I have no clue how to pronounce his name. Ooh, hold on. Steven Strasburg. I was so confused. DJ LeMahieu. So far, has been a good pack. Aaron Judge. Cody Bellinger. Whoa, this is a good pack. I wonder if it's like a hot pack or something. Ryan Braun. Bryce Harper. Wow. I think that's our second Bryce Harper we've got. Jordan Yamamoto. Rookie card. This is an insane pack. Chicago Cubs. Boston Red Sox. Ooh, Eloy Jimenez. I don't know why I said Eloy Jimenez. So weird. Rafael Devers. Carlos Rodon. Monkey Strumsky. Sorry if I couldn't show the entire card. Just have to lean over the camera. Alright, then we get another pack. Just tear it open. Oh, I ripped it a little too much. Get it. No spacer in the back this time. We have Lance Lynn, Trent Thornton, George Springer, Hanto Adalberto, Michael Conforto. That's a cool one. Anthony Rizzo, Nick Pivetta, Tyler Beta? No. Ketel Marte, that's a good one. Chris Paddock, he had it down here. Trent Grisham, that's a good rookie card. Kurt Suzuki, Dodgers. Christian Yelich. Ooh, that's a good one. He had it down here too. Travis Demers. I have no clue how to say his name. Josh Rojas. Tommy La Stella. Okay, that's our second pack done. We still have 2 packs, and I don't know what just happened to my voice. I'm just like 2 packs. Oh my goodness. This one's sealed hard. And alright, another spacer. Roman Quinn, Alex Colome, Joey I have no clue how to say this name. I can't even pronounce these guys' names. Jose Quintana? James Paxton. This pack hasn't been that good. Dylan Cease, though. That's a pretty good rookie card. Omar Narvaez. Atlanta Braves. Goodbye home run card. Cubs. Roberto Perez. This pack hasn't been good. Freddie Peralta. Reese Hoskins. Adam Jones. George Springer. Jake Rogers. That pack was a pretty dud pack. Pretty bad pack. But not every pack has to be good. I'm trying not to rip the pack. I can see it tight. Alright. Has a spacer on the back. Probably doesn't mean anything. Oh, that's my word. Eric Fedde, Michael Givens, Starlin Castro, Jorge Soler, Dinson Tyone, Tyler Flowers, Danny Holden, Lourdes Guerrero Jr., he had a good year, CJ Cron, Arenola, Willie Adames, Kenta Maeda, what's this guy's name again? John Meefield. Oh. Alright. Robin Yount, Luke Voigt, and Steven Matz. So, overall, it was a good pack. We are done the packs. It's time to move on to the bonus. This video is a little long, so I'll leave the bonuses to a different video. Trust me, I'll do the bonuses probably right today. I just can't post that long of a video. So, wait, before the video ends, I still don't have like a good place to film, so I just have this. So if I'm opening any baseball card packs, this is probably where I'm gonna do it. But thank you guys so much for watching, and goodbye.